Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to talk about variables and memory location in C. So let's get started. So what are variables? Variables are used to store data or a value. So basically it's like let us take an example, like you're going to write a program to calculate the circumference and and the area of the circle. So we need the value of radius twice, right, for calculating the area once and for calculating the circumference. In such cases variables are needed. So variables are essential for every program, like variables are needed for each and every program. We can't write programs without variables. So it's always better to give a unique name rather than having some common names like A, B, X, Y, M, and etc. So C is basically a strongly typed language, and so once a variable is created for a particular type of data, we can't store any other type of data other than that particular type. Say you create a variable for numbers, for storing numbers, and you can't use it for storing letters or alphabets hereafter. So they are also called as identifiers. So now we'll look at some of the naming rules for the variables. Let's have a look on that. So if you see, the variable name can have alphabets, numbers, and underscore, and the first letter should be either an alphabet or an underscore, and it can't be a number. So a variable name can't start with a number or any special characters, and special characters are not allowed in variable names. And spaces are not allowed within a variable name. Like you can't create a variable called last space name. So instead you can use it like last underscore then name. So we usually fill the gap with help of the underscores, and it identifies the lowercase and uppercase letters as distinct ones. Like if you see the example, I have written the name right differently in the lowercase and uppercase and the mix. So all three are identified as different variables. So why should we use variables? So why should we use variables? In order to access a memory location. So let's consider this as a memory location, this table as a memory locations. Like it has many memory locations like 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, and it's collectively called as a memory, right? So if you wanted to access any memory location, we have to give a name, right? Instead of accessing it like every time with the help of the memory location number, it's better if you give a name. So let's consider, if I'm giving like char name is equal to A, this value A is going to will get stored in some particular location, and that location's another name will become as name. So whenever I wanted to use that A, I will just call the name variable name that is a name, instead of using the value directly. So it's better, right? The value A will be stored and hence can be used whenever by just calling the variable name. So thank you guys. Like, share, and subscribe my channel if you like my work. Keep supporting guys. Thank you.